A very good morning to all of you. Students, our today's topic is magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. Okay, earlier what we have studied? We have studied the magnetic dipole moment of a current loop, and we have calculated the magnetic dipole moment of current loop is equal to Ia. Now we are considering that electron is revolving around the positively charged nucleus in hydrogen like atom. Then what will be or what may be the magnetic dipole moment of the electron in this case? To calculate this, to find this expression, what we have considered? We have considered, suppose an electron is revolving in anti-clockwise direction around the nucleus with speed v, and the radius of the orbit is suppose r. In this case, what we can do, the revolving electron around the nucleus is again behaving as a current loop, and we have calculated the magnetic moment of a current loop is I into A. If there are n number of terms, then it may be n times of the magnetic moment of the single one, that is n I A. Now what will be the value of equivalent current? यानी हम कह रहे हैं कि this is equivalent to the current loop. तो अगर ये current loop के equivalent है तो यहां पर जो इक्विवेलेंट करंट है उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी जो चार्ज फ्लो हो रहा है डिवाइडेड बाय द टाइम, यानी I is equal to Q upon T, where charge flowing is an electron, that is why the charge of electron is E, and time is equal to the time period of the revolving electron, यानी time taken by the electron in complete round, where T can be calculated as distance covered is equal to circumference and speed of the revolving electron is v. So T may be termed as 2 pi r upon v. After substituting, we can calculate the value of I as E upon 2 pi r upon v. This is the value of I. As this loop is equivalent to the current loop, that is why the magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron may be written as mu. इसको mu से हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, it is equal to IA. Okay, I we have calculated earlier, this is EV upon 2 pi r into A is the area of the loop, which is equal to pi r square, because loop is circular, orbit is circular orbit है तो उसका area of the circle के इक्वल होगा pi r square. These are cancelling out, then expression will be EVR upon 2, mu is equal to EVR upon 2. This is equation number 1. This is the value of the magnetic moment of revolving electron. Magnetic moment is a vector quantity, that is why its direction can be calculated by right hand rule. अगर यहाँ पर हम right hand rule लगाते हैं तो एक curved fingers are indicating the direction of the flowing current, then extended thumb will give the direction of the magnetic moment. तो magnetic moment की direction यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगी? Downwards, perpendicular downwards to the loop. अगर मैं loop को ऐसे consider करता हूँ तो it will be perpendicular downwards. By which rule? Right hand rule. We have calculated the direction. Also the angular momentum of electron revolving in the orbit may be written as L is equal to linear momentum multiplied by the distance from the rotational axis. So m e mass of the electron, v velocity of the electron, and r be the radius of this. This may be the equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, now what we will do, now divide equation number 1 by 2. Now divide equation number 1 by 2 we get, तो क्या आएगा, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में है म्यू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट, एल इज इक्वल टू EVR अपॉन टू EVR डिवाइडेड बाय 2 अपॉन MEVR, R और V ये दोनों कैंसिल, दिस इज E अपॉन 2ME. तो म्यू अपॉन एल ये आ गया. इफ वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग सिंगल म्यू इज इक्वल टू E अपॉन 2ME into L. This is the expression for the magnetic moment. Okay, now if we are writing this in the vector form, because mu is a vector quantity and its direction is we have calculated by the right hand thumb rule, then magnetic moment of the electron is E upon 2MEL vector. Direction of L may also be calculated, which is perpendicular to this plane and it acts in the upward direction. Angular momentum की direction क्या होगी, upward. तो this is the expression for the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. This is the expression for the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. Now, as we know by the Bohr's theory, according to Bohr's quantization condition. Bohr's quantization condition क्या है कि angular momentum is nh upon 2 pi, where n is an integer 1 2 3 and so on. While we substitute this value in this expression, then magnetic moment may be written as E upon 2ME into, ये E suffix में है, NH upon 2 pi, then it is equal to NEH upon 4 pi ME. This is the value of the magnetic dipole moment of revolving electrons as per the Bohr's quantization condition. अगर मैं इसमें इस एक्सप्रेशन में अगर मैं पुट करता हूँ n is equal to 1, so we can calculate mu b, and which is equal to EH upon 4 pi m. This is known as Bohr's magneton, and this is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Mu upon L is known as gyromagnetic ratio. इसे gyromagnetic ratio कहते हैं. Okay, so we have completed this expression.